and welcome. You are watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Karmalim bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. The state will need 500 crores to enhance the salaries of all teachers. Cleaning of Solang stream begins today. Poster of Khasi film Kandailat released at Shillong Press Club. And Delhi NGO files FIR cattle market shuts down in Khanapara. And now the news in detail. The poster of Khasi film Kandailat was released at Shillong Press Club today. The poster was released by Alantri Dakhar. The film will be screened at Bijo Cinema Hall and Anjali Cinema Hall, Shillong from the 26th of this month to the 2nd April. Speaking to the media, the director of the film, Commander Shangpliang, informed that this film was screened last year, but the screen of this film had to abruptly stop due to COVID-19 pandemic.
Das ngau du jingkermen than namar ba kamtam hagini ki porman aimun mud badang hanik pormenta kelas sedang kini ka film Kandailat kelanang pau penban mon lang baki social media e tengangi scam baki briu kin yo ban wan pat lengba jong ki media kila report ikui pada kijingjia mo kila se Kandailat tengangi scam ba kini ka film ro kelanang don linglang melumala mo kelanang yo
ki ba namar ba ning spenlit biang ke ka film medok andrew tereng the singaphaban ya one page for cinema hall kumjuro ba kita bala one page tharai pila clear singaphaban ya one biang jagalong gawai ke ba singau ternat ikene ka film ban ak kalong ga ling janga compare ban ak agene ka Kandailat bon sien ki film kham akum supporting actor nane
Snapchat mo me, ukpa jong me laphen, lara me kualit khilet bertuk pala jong, ukpa jong me la yap me la situ.
Boleh हम play गए
Aisha ka pisa ka baik good.
Anda pelapai ngas pedi ke room number ya pa.
ये नो या वो क्या परिस्थिति रही क्या
बड़े-बड़े इसके पास कांटेक्ट रहते हैं बड़े-बड़े
Bali me buri ek jinglong la jong. Me nomot nganum tep. What one ban le men le ai ru em hang ni.
ngamut kali napi sepangi dari teh ajar san spa mah
Long. Sana jan.
I'm going to pay 15,000 per night.
nga wa ban kia lang bat pi kain
ban yu ba mi api dang bha ba mi manga tang la da long ka bala sum ha sama bi na
soba ma penga kamde shu uju kra
And Organisation for Protection of Solang Stream at Meghalaya in Shillong, along with the Meghalaya Dorbar Shillong today, went to clean the Solang stream. The cleaning of the stream was done with assistance from Meghalaya MDC Debor Pathau, who provided them with a hydraulic machine to remove the dirt from the stream. Speaking to the media, the Secretary of Yadawa Solang said this organisation was formed in order to ensure that the stream is restored to its past glory. He also urged the residents who are residing along the stream not to throw rubbish in the stream. Speaking to the media, Dr. Hygienia Siangbot, project scientist of the Institute of Natural Resources (MBDA), informed that the cleaning of this stream is pilot project and if it is successful, it will be extended in other areas. Dr. Hygienia Siangbot said the project will not be successful if the residents do not cooperate with the authorities who want to restore the Solang stream to its original status.
Ni ka kam pen kho ya ka ni ka wa shing ka de ka collaborative work ka bangi le ka Shillong ka ni ka Shillong Meghalaya bat kum juro bat u MDC jong ka Meghalaya ba pathau te halo jong ka ni ka project jing sha ka ni ka project kam de ka project ka barem ka don ka jing pulut ka ba nakaliang ka office ka jungi ka long kamba kum to kumba phalak tame e tengka ka bangi mang na ka banta thik ban pen kho ya ka ni ka wa da ka bangi pendon kam ya kini ka bangi ong ka bio remediation ma la ni ka ta ka bangi pen kho da ka ba ndai da ka bangi ai ki kinja da wai la ni ki chemical handrai ka balong natural ka ba mod ba tang de ki khniang hi ki ba mi na ka ni ka wa hi ka kum jo ki jing thong ki badan saudong jong ka ni ka wa ki bangi la de ban identify ka bangi la ban pen kho khnang ba nginam pendan kami gino kikinja dawai ma ti kani ka kam ka bangi le kani ka dang de ka phase 1 menta ka bamut ba menta ka bangi sedang ha kani ka si ka long bangin le bangin pen khojwa ya kani ka jobo ki bala lang sediments ma ki bala lang ha kani ka wa ti hadin jong kani pade kan sedon pade sakabakan ka.
The women folk under an organization called Yasnok Tilang today came in large number and took part to clean the inside of the flyover bridge at Umyam area. The cleaning of the place was assisted by the residents of Umroy Matan along with the Sinjuk Kirang Bashnong of Umroy Umyam area. The cleaning drive was conducted from La to Umsao up to Orchid. This cleaning drive was part of the celebration of the organization to mark its 1 year of existence. Reki shimpi hi kini ki rewshibat ki badon hakum kini ki organization ni ki association komka yasno lang vo te nasatanat shibon baga yasno lang vo kashim ni kini kesenjam rengkat berkajing trelang jong ki bor sarkar anong ipi hagi babon ki kimpi hi menta yastanat babon kini ki organization ni ki association hi. The state is witnessing huge shortage of cattle leading to escalation of beef prices in the state. Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister said, replying to a short duration discussion on the high price of beef in the city, Deputy Chief Minister in charge Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Prestun Tinsong informed that an organization from New Delhi filed an FIR and the cattle market in Khanapara was shut down and the matter is pending in the court. Tinsong said while expressing his displeasure over the fact that the FIR has been entertained without realizing the situation in the state. Earlier opposition chief whip P.T. Saukme said the efforts must be taken to reopen the cattle market.
By anybody has to be examined properly by the concerned authority. I've already spoken personally even to the SP. Why should you just entertain the FIR filed by the organization from Delhi without knowing anything about the prevailing regulation acts that we are obeying or following as per the guidance of the Act and provisions. So they should.
Meghalaya Education Minister Lakimin Rumboy told the State Assembly that the process for enhancement of the salaries of the ad hoc teachers in the state is under examination. Replying to the question raised by Mauplang Independent MLA S. Sun during the question hour, Rumboy informed that the government will take a call to enhance the salaries of the ad hoc teachers as and when the financial position of the state is comfortable.
12,000 in 2016. Now it's already 4 years now, from 2016 to now 2021. Is there any contention on the part of the state government to revise the salary of these teachers since it's already 4 years now?
Sir, the process for enhancement of the salary of the teachers, it is under examination and the government is working on it, sir.
Replying to the supplementary question raised by Mausanram Congress MLA Meghalaya ASHA, the Education Minister informed that the government is spending Rs 181 crore annually to pay the salaries of the ad hoc lower primary and upper primary school teachers. He further informed that the government will need additional fund of Rs 251 crore to enhance the salaries of the ad hoc teachers to be at par with the salaries of the teachers in the government schools. According to him, the government will need Rs 500 crore plus if it has to enhance the salaries of both the ad hoc and SSA teachers in the state. He further stated that the government has other commitments besides taking care of the salaries of the teachers.
School. Any additional appointment of teachers shall be borne by the state government. That, sir, it may be pointed out that in 2016-17, the Plan Approval Board, Ministry of Education, Government of India, has approved the state proposal to enhance the salary of SSA upper primary school from 9,900 to 20,493 per month. In continuing with the SSA Enhancement, Directorate of Education, School Education and Literacy has also proposed enhancement of the food teachers under the ad hoc primary school teacher with effect from 1st January 2017. Their proposal was followed up, and the same is under consideration to enhance the salary from 12,000. Then.
So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.